bought this GTR around a year ago from Copart. I've since fixed it up and she's going well, so I figure it's about time I go on a road trip to Ireland. When I was preparing the car for the trip, I decided to, have a go at wrapping the roof myself, but I fucked it up, so I got these boys to help me out. This is my daughter Saoirse on her first road trip with Daddy. So this video is just to capture a moment in time where you could just fill up your tank and hit the open road. The way things are going, by the time Saoirse is old enough to drive, everything's going to be autonomous and electric. So here you go, Saoirse, here's the good old days. Like that? Yeah. Well, we made it. We're in Dublin. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. No traffic around. Actually lovely down here. Fuck, the roads are shit here. Oh, look at this. Everything's green. I look cool.
Left onto Talbot Memorial Bridge, R105, then turn right onto George's Quay. Turn right onto George's Quay, R105.
I don't know if you can see this. It's hard to capture how cool this place looks. They have all the buildings illuminated in green. Yeah, the camera doesn't do it justice. It looks cool as fuck. St. James's Gate. I had to stop to show my respect.
Thanks, Lillian, and good morning from the newsroom. British Prime Minister Keir Starmer will host a virtual call of world leaders later this morning to discuss plans for a so-called coalition of the willing to secure a lasting peace deal for Ukraine. Around 25 countries are due to take part in the meeting. Taoiseach Micheál Martin is not taking part as he's still in the US for St. Patrick's Day events. It's expected that Mr. Starmer will call for increased economic pressure on Russia to force President Vladimir Putin to the negotiating table. Meanwhile, Mr. Putin has called for Ukrainian troops in the Kursk region to surrender, as Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky accused Mr. Putin of trying to sabotage a ceasefire initiative. US President Donald Trump urged Mr. Putin to spare the lives of the Ukrainian troops, as he said his envoy had held productive talks with the Russian leader on a proposed 30-day ceasefire. Russia has mounted a rapid counteroffensive in the western border region of Kursk over the past week, recapturing much of the territory Ukraine seized last August. The Garda Commissioner Drew Harris has said drugs investigations are currently focused on major drug dealers and transnational organised crime groups, not on addicts who need treatment and help. Recent crime figures show counties overall dry and sunny to begin. Clouds will increase bringing isolated light showers. High temperatures of 7 to 10 degrees in the light northeast of variable breeze. That's all from the newsroom at the moment.
Waterford, home sweet home.
Two brand new. It's a lot of engine. Yeah, it is. You want to polish this?
Right, coach. It's a long time since you were in that car.
Yeah, it's been a fucking while, man.
What, 20 odd years?
It must be. It's been 19, 20 years. Something like that. It was like the first car I did when I started in bloody street devils, wasn't it?
Seamus was a baby.
Oh well. Seatbelt's fucking a bit shagged here.
I should have given him the camera to record a bit of action inside the car. Oh well, I just didn't think of it. Well done. Launcher. That's one creamy motherfucking pint.
There are stalled vehicles ahead.
Welcome back to the UK. Look at this. Well, we're back in the UK. We're somewhere in mid Wales. I just filled up again. This is my first time filling up now in the UK. And see, Supreme 99 E5. Don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, in Ireland that's some hassle trying to get fuel for this car. I didn't realise all they sell over there is E10, and this car is tuned for E5 99 octane. And she just will not run on that E10 shit. What's that, 10% ethanol stuff? So yeah, I was going around, I was under pressure because I didn't know what the crack was. But it turns out you can just put octane booster in with the E10 fuel, which I didn't know anything about that. But yeah, trying to find a place that sells octane booster then was another thing. Ended up going to Halfords. Oh yeah, it's some rigmarole trying to get fuel for this car. So that is the one good thing about being back in the UK, is anywhere you go, sell the high octane fuel, which is good. So yeah, had a little rest here, and now we're on the road again, aren't we? Yeah. Yay! Through the whole trip. The only problem I've had is that the Bellhausen bearing is after getting very noisy, so I'm just going to have another look at that. I've priced one up, I think they're 1,500 quid. Well, I'm just going to have another look at that when I get a chance. So yeah, we made it back in one piece. It's a good old car. Yeah, the only bother was that what you call it, Bellhausen bearing. So I'll give you a listen to it. sound shit. Oh well, it is what it is. It's a common fault on these. I was hoping that it was changed when I bought this, but obviously not. So it looks like I'm gonna have to do that next. Well, next time I get a few quid. So you're probably talking around 500 quid labour as well, because I won't be doing this in my yard anyway. So yeah, that's the end of my video. And we'll wrap it up with that. Let's launch it. Here's one I found on eBay. So it looks like, yeah, that's my next purchase.